Hey! Today, I'm showing you how to transform your written content into scroll-stopping videos using RenderLion's text-to-video generator. Step 1, log in or sign up to your RenderLion account, then head over to the text-to-video generator section. Click the Convert Text to Video button, or, like I prefer, just hit Content to Video from the top menu. Easy. Now it's time to drop in your text. In my case, I'm using a wild headline from Morgan Stanley. 60 million humans may be replaced by humanoid robots by 2050. Yeah, that's one way to get people to stop scrolling. But seriously, you can use any kind of text in any language, whether it's a single sentence or a full paragraph. If it has meaning, RenderLion can turn it into a visual story. Once your text is ready, hit that Generate button, just like I did. And boom, in just seconds, RenderLion's AI will break down your text, pull out key themes for your slides, write the voiceover, add visuals, and more. And just like that, bam! 3 animated video previews ready to roll. Alright, now let's add some personal flair. I clicked on the Style button and selected one of my saved brand styles. This helps keep things consistent. Fonts, colors, logo, all aligned with your brand identity. But hey, you can leave it random too and still get amazing results. Next, I set the background music to dance and electronic for a little energy boost. But feel free to let the AI pick a soundtrack that suits your video's vibe. Totally effortless. Then I clicked Edit Content to fine-tune the data. For my example, I added an image to make it more engaging, but you can leave it image-free or load up as many visuals as you like. It's all up to you. You can also switch to a male or female voiceover, update the text-to-speech script, adjust the slide text. Yep, every single slide if you want. Once you're happy, hit Update, and watch your changes instantly show up in the animation preview. So smooth. Quick tip, RenderLion automatically generates your video in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape. I've set mine to landscape for this demo, just to show you how it looks. Now for the fun part. Every time you click New Instant Hunt, RenderLion generates 3 brand new video previews in under a second. Hover over a preview to see it in action. Like what you see, just hit Save and it'll land in your My Videos section for later use. Just like I did. Keep clicking New Instant Hunt as much as you want. Each click is like pulling the lever on a creative slot machine. Keep going until you spot that perfect match. For me, this one right here just hits the mark, so I'm picking it. And don't forget, you can always use this video as a template or jump back in to edit anytime you want. But right now, I'm clicking Render to Download to transform this text-based preview into a full high-resolution video, complete with voice, visuals, and music. Of course, I'll do the same for portrait and square formats too. That way, I've got versions ready to roll for any situation, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, emails, or even embedded on a website. Rendering might take a couple of minutes depending on video length, server load, effects, and format. But trust me, it's 100% worth the wait. Once it's done, you've got a polished, high-quality video that's ready to share anywhere. Oh, and RenderLion also gives you thumbnail images for each format. Super handy for social media posts, website banners, and more. That's it, from a simple block of text to a full-blown animated video. In minutes. Now it's your turn. Head to RenderLion.com. Sign up for free and start turning your messages, updates, news, or announcements into video content that stands out.